Some people believe the Earth is flat. But what happens when you ask one of the smartest things ever created, artificial intelligence? We asked multiple ICE, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and others a simple question. Is the Earth flat? Their answer? No, and here's exactly why. ICE systems don't just give opinions. They're trained on massive datasets, science papers, satellite data, historical records, and real experiments. So when asked if the Earth is flat, AI replies, no, the Earth is an oblate spheroid, a sphere slightly flattened at the poles. It even backs it up with satellite imagery from NASA and ESA, gravity-based measurements, observations from pilots, astronauts, and ships at sea, GPS and geolocation data that wouldn't work on a flat plane. This isn't just belief. It's backed by physics. Here's what AI points to when you push for proof. Photos of Earth from space, thousands of real images taken from satellites and spacecraft, including from countries that hate each other. No global conspiracy could fake them all, especially across rival nations. Time zones only make sense on a round Earth. The sun rising in Tokyo while it's still yesterday in New York? That's not possible on a flat disk. Airplane flight paths, flights between continents curve, and pilots use the curve of the Earth to fly efficiently. GPS calculations depend on Earth's roundness. If the Earth were flat, flights would look very different. The horizon, as ships sail away, they disappear bottom first. That only happens on a curved surface. Gravity pulls objects toward the center of mass. That's why the Earth forms a sphere. A flat disk would have wild gravitational inconsistencies, and we'd all notice. Flat earthers argue that satellites are fake, NASA is lying, science is part of a bigger cover-up. AI doesn't argue with emotion. It just compares facts. It says things like, if satellites were fake, your GPS wouldn't work. But it does. Weather prediction models depend on satellite data. And they work too. If the Earth were flat, physics would break down. AI doesn't have a motive. It just shows the math, and the math says Earth is round. We gave the AI fake flat Earth claims to see if it would agree. Like, NASA admitted Earth is flat. Photos from space are CGI. The horizon is always flat. It responded with citations, corrections, and links to actual data. Even when asked to write in a flat Earth believer's voice, it flagged the info as incorrect. Bottom line? Even when pretending, AI refuses to say Earth is flat. AI is being used in science, healthcare, aviation, and more. It's trained to recognize patterns across thousands of years of data. When that kind of intelligence says, the Earth is round, here's how we know, you should probably believe it. Because the question isn't, is the Earth flat? The real question is, why are people still trying to convince you it is? Even AI knows the truth. And it's not even close. For more strange internet myths, digital conspiracies, and the weird places tech takes us, subscribe to Internet Vault. Faceless, fact-based, always watching.